Hola estudiantes. In today's lesson, you will learn how to conjugate regular verbs in the preterite tense. Before we begin, I will give you a brief definition of what the preterite tense is. The preterite tense is also known as the simple past tense in Spanish because it expresses a past completed action. For example, what one did. I walked. He talked. She ran. They sang. So, the preterite tense is equivalent to the ed endings in English. In Spanish, there are three types of verbs: AR, ER, and IR. So let's begin with looking at the AR verbs. How to conjugate AR verbs in Spanish? Step 1. Eliminate the infinitive ending. The infinitive ending is basically the last two letters in the verb, which is AR. The last two letters tells us exactly what type of verb it is. Because like I said, in Spanish, there are only three types of verbs: AR, ER, and IR. Here are the preterite tense endings for AR verbs. Aste, o, amos, Aaron. In the preterite tense, ER and IR verbs are conjugated the same. Here are the endings for ER and IR verbs in the preterite tense. Iste, io, imos, ieron. In some cases, where there are verbs in which there are two vowels back to each other, like the verb leer, L-E-E-R, to read, we change the I to Y and it becomes leyeron in order to facilitate easy pronunciation. I hope that this lesson was useful. Thank you very much for listening. Hola.